One sec, bro. Hello?
Hello?
What's going on, B?
Where are you?
I'm just at the studio right now.
Again?
Yeah, what do you mean again? I'm here, man. I'm trying to grind.
You've been telling me for the past 2 weeks that you're gonna come and see me, and not once have I seen your face.
Come on, man. You know I'm gonna be there soon, man. Just let me just do this one thing. I'm gonna be there soon.
I don't want to hear it.
Like, she's on a broken planet. I'm in her LV sneaks. Her ex used to step in her tracksuit, but she said that I stepped too clean. Like, her last man come like a waste man, but she fucked up and left with a G. Like, LV shades, no Ray-Bans. Getting bands in my only routine. She's in a broken planet. I'm in her LV sneaks. Her ex used to step in her tracksuit, but she said that I stepped too clean. Her last man come like a waste man, but she fucked up and left with a G. Like, LV shades, no Ray-Bans. Getting bands in my only routine. I tried my best with you, fuck you, stop calling and texting me. Like, you ain't never seen 1,000 purple notes in a black tech fleece. I feel relief when my peace increase, but I always feel weak when my peace decrease. Stop waffling, chatting, I preach when you ain't even got you a Jesus piece. On your marks, get set, get ready. Muff the licks opposite from steady. She said I'm the one like Hedy. She suck on me while I sip on Henny. I tried to keep you close, I think that you doing the most. I air your calls and go on goals. Don't act like you care when you do, don't act like you care when you don't. But I thought, would I stay involved? But I thought, would you say that you do and you don't? You hearing a tone when you ringing my phone. I need some jazz that they clone Tyrone. I'm still in my thoughts, I'm feeling alone. Still burn a spliff when I'm feeling at home. Call my phone's on D&D, yeah, acts the reason to E&D. Like, she's on a broken planet. I'm in her LV sneaks. Her ex used to step in her tracksuit, but she said that I stepped too clean. Like, her last man come like a waste man, but she fucked up and left with a G. Like, LV shades, no Ray-Bans. Getting bands is my only routine. Like, she's on a broken planet. I'm in her LV sneaks. Her ex used to step in her tracksuit, but she said that I stepped too clean. Like, her last man come like a waste man, but she fucked up and left with a G. Like, LV shades, no Ray-Bans. Getting bands in my only routine. I already know that the man them's gone clear. She wants Zara, put her in Montclair. I don't like how your funds on E. You still hit the clubs and you act like you don't care. Wait, what do you mean that you don't make it? Go bill up her line, go hit up the road and go get paid. Bro, you man think that your wife the dime, but me I ain't in that mix. I was OT juggling squares, but you know about taking a risk. Why you think that we all get involved? Back then, yeah, I was young, never had no fun. We was really just billing up pintos. Now we lean back, that smoke out the window. Like, she's on a broken planet. I'm in her LV sneaks. Her ex used to step in her tracksuit, but she said that I stepped too clean. Like, her last man come like a waste man, but she fucked up and left with a G. Like, LV shades, no Ray-Bans. Getting bands in my only routine. She's in a broken planet. I'm in that.
Do you know how late it is, and now you're trying to tell me you're gonna be here soon?
She said that I stepped too clean. Her last man come like a waste man, but she fucked up and left with a G. Like,